Chelsea's lineup today. We've got Cech, Ivanovic, Cahill, Terry, Aspilicueta, Ramirez, Mikel, Hazard, Mata, Schürrle and Torres. Lampard's left on the bench.
No,
Oscar's injured.
Well, they said he didn't know about it. You can turn it on the way back.
I'm reading the main notes.
It's on the way back, I don't want to know it. I'm recording the thing tonight.
Okay.
The Sunderland are on tonight as well, aren't they? 5 o'clock.
Yeah, there's a 5 o'clock game.
I'm on top of 5 o'clock.
That's on
So
Sky.
how many Newcastle keep watching it on BT Sport?
Huh?
It's on BT Sport, so what's the matter? Just tell you what's happening.
Is it?
Huh?
I forgot about it, but I was going to watch it on Match of the Day.
There's still over half an hour left.
Is it? 12:45, 1:30,
Oh wait, no, actually.
1:30, 1:45 second half starts, finishes at 2:30. Can I be half an hour left?
I thought you said we were nearly there. Why are we not slowing down?
What time is it now? 2:20? Put this away.
Right, it's about
Put this away.
5 minutes left.
Bye.